to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make flaxseed gel. First you will start out with 2 cups of water, then a 1/4 cup of whole flax seeds, go ahead and give it a stir and then let it boil on medium heat for about 10 minutes. You'll begin to see the mucus secreted from the seeds, which is the gel that you'll use. And depending on the consistency that you like, you can boil longer for a thicker consistency and for a shorter time for a thinner consistency. And since I like my gel to be a thinner consistency, I'll only boil my seeds for 10 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and drain the gel off the seeds and add my Jamaican black castor oil and essential oils. Once you're finished adding your oils, you want to go ahead and give it a good whisk. And you're all done. Like I said, I like mine to be a thinner texture, but feel free to boil yours longer if you want your gel to be thicker. I also transfer mine over to an applicator bottle so it's easier to use. This flaxseed gel can be stored in your fridge up to about 2 weeks. I usually use this gel to lay my edges, to do my wash and goes, to do my twist outs. I pretty much use this gel for everything. It provides such a strong yet moisturizing hold. So if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And click that bell button so that you can be the first to know when I drop a new video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time.